Welcome back to self-introspection and self-development.
Once upon a time, there lived a very wise man. In his village, everyone respected him and his views and opinions were well regarded. Many people come to him seeking for advice. However, his son was very lazy and wasted his time sleeping and spending time with his friends. No amount of advice or threat made any difference to him. He would not change at all. 2 years passed. As the wise man grew older, he began to worry about his son's future. He recognized that he had to give his son something so that he could take care of himself and his family to be in the future. So one day, the wise man called his son to his room and said, "My son, you are no longer a kid now. You must learn to take responsibilities and understand life. Try to find the real purpose of life. And once you find it, remember it always. And you will lead a life full of happiness and joy forever." Then he handed the son with a bag. When the son opened the bag, he was surprised to see 4 pairs of clothes, one for each season. There was also some raw foods, grains, little money and a map. His father continued, "I want you to go and find a treasure. I have drawn a map of the place where the treasure is hidden. You need to go and find it." For the first time, the son thought that his father had a good idea for him. So the very next day, the son eagerly set out on a journey to find the treasure. He had to travel really far across borders, forests, plateaus and mountains. Days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months. Along the way, he met a lot of people. He was helped by some with food and by some with shelter. He also came across robbers who tried to rob him and people who tried to cheat him. On his way, he experienced the best and the worst of humanity. Finally, after a long year, he reached his destination. The map which his father has given showed that the treasure being placed below the place under the tree. He began to dig the ground. He searched and searched under it, around it, over it, but found nothing. He spent his 2 days looking and digging for the treasure. By the 3rd day, he was so exhausted that he decided to leave. He was disappointed over his father's lie. He headed back to his father's home. On his way back, he experienced the changing landscape and seasons. This time, however, he halted to enjoy the blooming flowers in spring. Since the supplies he carried were over, he learned to hunt and make arrangement for his meals. He also learned to sew his clothes and shelter himself. He was able to determine the hour of the day by the position of the sun and plan his journey accordingly. He also learned how to protect himself from the wild animals. He also saw the people whom he met earlier. This time, he stayed a few days with them and helped them in some or the other way to repay them. He realized how nice they were to an ordinary passerby who had nothing to offer them in return. When he reached home, he realized it had been 2 years since he left the place. He walked straight into his father's room. "Father," he said. Father immediately hugged him. "So how was your journey, my son? Did you find the treasure?" he asked. The boy answered, "The journey was fascinating, father, but forgive me, I was not able to find the treasure. Maybe someone took it before I reached." The father was surprised. He was not angry at his father. Instead, he was asking for forgiveness. The father then replied, "There was not any treasure, my son." The son was amazed. "But why did you send me to find it then?" "I will surely tell you why, but first you tell me, how was your journey? Did you enjoy it?" The son replied to his father, "I did enjoy the journey on my way back home. I made many friends on my way back and witnessed miracles every day. I learned many different skills in the art of survival. I learned so much that it made me forget the pain of not finding the treasure." "Exactly, my son. I want you to lead your life with a goal. But if you remain always focused toward your goal, then you will miss out of the real treasures of life. The truth is, life has no goal at all, other than just experiencing it and grow with every single day. So the purpose of life is to live it, to taste the experience to the utmost, to reach out eagerly and without fear for newer and richer experience." I hope you got the message.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get tuned on my next videos.